Ready to open the hood? UseTool for the tutorials.
And for car parts, the right idea is the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
You will find the bulk bulbs used in the video exclusively on the Mr. Auto website and through the link in the description. Turn your engine off and pull up the handbrake. To increase the lifespan of your bulbs, we suggest never touching the glass with your bare fingers. If you have to do so, do it with thoroughly cleaned hands before putting them back. To access and replace the taillight bulbs, you need to open the car trunk. Open the trunk. Remove the access flap inside the trunk. You can use a screwdriver to help you. Remove the power connector board by putting pressure on the two locking studs. You can now access the light bulbs. Each bulb is removed in the same way. Push it in and unscrew with a quarter turn. Take the new bulbs. Do the same but in reverse when putting the new bulb back in. Put the board in position, making sure it is the right way round. Then all you have to do is push down on the board. Close the access flap. Operation completed.
Hello, if this video helps you, like and subscribe.